So you might be wondering how you can go ahead and use the swipe keyboard on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what we're first going to want to do is make our way over into an application that supports that keyboard. So in this case, you can see we have this particular App Store application. Now if you want to pop up the keyboard, you want to find a text box that you can go ahead and open. So in this case, we have this search box right here at the very top. So what we can do is we can tap onto that search box and then we can kind of pop up this keyboard that's right here. So this is something that's actually really, really cool. And that's a really big advantage for a Apple Watch. Now what we can do is you can start to kind of type in whatever you want to. So you can kind of just type in whatever you want to type in. But what you can also do is swipe on it. So just like an iPhone keyboard, you can go ahead and start at one character and start sliding your particular finger around to get that particular word to pop up. So now you can kind of just start swiping that keyboard around and start getting into certain words. So that's basically how you do it. Now if you want to pop down that keyboard, all you have to do is click into either like this cancel button up in the top left. It will cancel out that text box. Or you can click on the home button as well and it will take you back home. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.